In episode 4, when Yang returns home, he asks Wu Wei about Yinguo and Xiaotian moving. Wu Wei confirms that they will be moving next week. Upon hearing this, Yang takes a table from Wu Wei's room and places it in Yinguo's room. Wu Wei expresses concern about where he will keep his books now. Yang responds by saying that Wu Wei doesn't read books. Yang then proceeds to take the sofa and puts it in Yinguo's room, which Wu Wei claims is his favorite. Yang assures Wu Wei that he will buy him a new one later. Wu Wei advises against having a girlfriend because he believes he'll end up giving away all his belongings. When Yang begins spraying the sofa, Wu Wei tells him to stop. Yang offers to buy Wu Wei a coffee machine, saying he'll give him the money. Wu Wei is pleased to hear this. Yang asks Wu Wei, "Am I a good boy?" Wu Wei replies, "You tend to get angry quickly, and sometimes you can be selfish too." Yang clarifies, "I'm asking from a girl's perspective." Wu Wei recalls, "Back in China, you were quite popular among girls. If you didn't know that, it's your loss." Wu Wei meets Yinguo and Xiaotian the next day. Xiaotian inquires about Yang's return. Wu Wei explains that Yang is very busy and only meets him every 2 months. Wu Wei informs both of them that Yang played a significant role in persuading the landlord. Xiaotian suggests expressing gratitude to him. Yinguo inquires about Yang's return after 2 months. Wu Wei confirms and inquires about Yinguo's return home. Yinguo plans to leave after the competition. Wu Wei hints that she might leave earlier. Yinguo is displeased by this. Subsequently, Yinguo sends a message to Yang to thank him for his help with the landlord. Yang says it's okay. After finishing his class, 2 Chinese girls approach him and thank him for his help throughout the semester. They invite him to dinner as a way to thank him and even suggest that he can bring his girlfriend along. However, Yang declines the invitation, stating that he needs to prepare lessons and doesn't have time for dinner. He then goes to a billiard room where a boy tells him that the room now belongs to him. Yang responds by saying that he has spent all his money on buying the room and doesn't have any left. The boy by the counter offers, "I can lend you money," and Yang responds, "My finances will get better in 2 months." Yang gathers the people who participated in the 9-ball open and leads them to a room. From his bag, Yang takes out diaries and distributes them individually, saying, "This is your training schedule." Yang informs them, "If you encounter any problems, feel free to contact me," and departs from the billiard room. Yinguo arranges his room. Xiaotian notices and comments, "My sister's room has a wardrobe, a bookshelf, and even a sofa, while my room lacks all these amenities." Wu Wei responds, "Your sister deserves the best things." Xiaotian agrees, "Yes, you're correct." Yinguo inquires, "Where do you practice?" Wu Wei replies, "Get your things, and we'll head there." They head to the billiard room. Wu Wei introduces Yinguo as Yang's friend and mentions that Yang asked him to bring her here. The boss warmly welcomes her, saying that if she's Yang's friend, then she's everyone's friend. Wu Wei informs the boss that Yang mentioned Yinguo will be using his table. The boss assures that it's not a problem. As they approach Yang's table, the boss mentions that only Yang is allowed to play there. Upon entering Yang's room, Wu Wei shares that Yang used to teach snooker to many people here, so he has a close relationship with the boss. Wu Wei informs Yinguo that Yang practices every day. Yinguo says that only professional players engage in such training. Wu Wei suggests that it would be better if Yang himself tells Yinguo about it. Wu Wei then informs Yinguo that he has to go to work and leaves. The boss arrives and instructs Yinguo to inform him of any issues. After the boss leaves, Yinguo thinks that Yang has connections with everyone there. When Wu Wei returns home, he invites Xiaotian to join him for an opera. Xiaotian agrees. Meanwhile, Yinguo continues practicing until Yang arrives. Yinguo is shocked to see him and mentions, "You missed class." Yang responds, "I arrived after class." "Did my presence surprise you?" Yinguo informs him that Wu Wei mentioned he would return only after 2 months. Yang explains, "I have free time now, so I visit often." Yinguo shares that she practices by herself and invites him to join. Yang declines, saying, "I'm worried I might make you cry." Yinguo confidently states that she excels at the game, considering herself a semi-professional player. She mentions that losing won't make her cry. Yang boasts about defeating many opponents, including Wu Wei. Yingguo suggests that Wu Wei isn't skilled at the game. Yang retorts, claiming he's good, but he's even better. Yingguo notices as they begin playing and remarks, "You're hiding your power." Yang questions if he truly is. Yingguo advises him not to, as it won't matter if she loses. After playing a shot, Yang suggests they should go. When it's time to pay the bill, Yang claims it was her first day and offers to pay. However, Yingguo insists on paying instead. The boss asks why the two of you are arguing. "Today's game is on me," Yang says, "Thanks." To this, he adds that he will have to teach his son to play. Yang says, "Of course, I'm his teacher." On their way to the house, Yingguo mentions that they have prepared a hot pot. However, when they arrive, Xiaotian and Wu Wei are not there. Yingguo informs Yang that she received a message from Xiaotian, saying they went to watch an opera. Yingguo and Yang wash their hands before eating. Yingguo notices a painting on Yang's arm. Yang explains that his classmate does body painting and painted on his arm in his exhibition. Yingguo finds the painting lovely. Yang invites her to come with him next time. Yang goes to change his clothes, considering wearing a hoodie because Wu Wei said girls find boys in hoodies cool. Wu Wei sends a message to Yang, informing him that the snow is too heavy, so they won't be able to return early. Yingguo mentions that they always eat together whenever they meet. Yang expresses how satisfying it feels to eat after a long time. Yingguo wonders what makes it so special, as everyone eats 3 times a day. He adds that he was very busy during the semester and didn't even have enough time to eat properly. After finishing their meal, Yingguo inquires if Yang misses home. Yang replies, "Yes, I miss my grandpa a lot." Yingguo then asks if Yang is interested in someone. "I saw what Wu Wei posted on WeChat before it was deleted." Yingguo remarks, "If you have feelings for someone, tell her, she will definitely respond." Yang asks, "Do I appear very sad to you?" Upon hearing this, Yingguo laughs and says, "Good luck." Yingguo's grandma calls and asks where Xiaotian is. Yingguo tells her he's gone to watch the opera. Xiaotian's elder brother Xiaodong arrives and says he's out again. Yang seems surprised upon hearing Xiaodong's voice. Xiaodong tells her, winning the championship is a must for your first international game, and if not, you should aim for second place. Yang pays close attention as well. Now, Grandma shifts her attention to Yang and expresses, "I want to thank him. He has helped you guys." Xiaodong adds, "Yes, I also want to thank him." Later, when Yingguo goes outside, Yang is nowhere to be found. She informs them that he may have left. Xiaodong advises her to concentrate solely on her training. Xiaodong asks Grandma about Yingguo's roommate's name after the call ends. Grandma replies, his name is Lin Yang. Xiaodong is surprised upon hearing this name. In a flashback, it is revealed that Xiaodong had met Yang through the club during childhood. Yang approaches Xiaodong and tells him, "You aim to win the championship, but you can only do so if I give up." Yingguo informs Yang, "My grandma called. They wanted to thank you for all the help you've provided." Yang modestly responds, "In household matters, Wu Wei has been more helpful to you." Yingguo mentioned that Wu Wei had informed her that Yang was the one who discovered this apartment. Yang inquires if Yingguo has a sibling. Yingguo says, "He is my cousin, Xiaotian's elder brother. He has been teaching me snooker since I was young, hence he is quite strict with me." Yingguo is having trouble sleeping. She thinks to herself, "I ate too much today, that's why I can't sleep." She sees that Yang is also awake. Yang asks, "Did I wake you up?" Yingguo replies, "No," and goes to the bathroom. After coming back, she tells Yang, "You're not disturbing me. I've been awake for a while." Yingguo then goes back to her room. Yang informs Yingguo that I agreed to take her brother out tomorrow. Yingguo replies, "You don't have to inform me about that." Yang adds, "Wu Wei will be joining us too. We'll be out until the afternoon. Will you stay at home?" Yingguo answers, "Yes. I have training to attend." After that, they both stand on opposite sides of the door.